Casey! Wow! This means that he wants outside. Oh, finish the song. Oh, everybody wants outside. Janet wants out. Janet wants outside. Come on, Fly Guy. Coming out? No. Fly Guy said, no, I don't want out. Oh, sweetie, are you okay? Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, sweetie. Come here. Come on. Come on. Are you okay? Aw, poor baby. Poor baby. I didn't mean to do that. I didn't see you. You have to stop rushing in at the last minute. Come on. Come on, Timmy. It's okay, Suze.